Hello, and I'm so excited to bring to you the third part of my mini series, all about creating irresistible offers that help scale your business to consistent months of 5K. And we're on to the third offer that you want to ensure that you have in your business, whether you are a service based business or a product based business, and that is your high end offer. That's it. This is the offer that's going to allow you to call in those one or two clients who are prepared to pay a high end price to work with you on a one to one basis if you are a service based business, and in a different capacity. And I'm going to give you some examples if you are a product based business. So let's have a look at why you need a high end offer in your business. One of the best things you can do when you're first starting out in business is actually have some high end offers, because it allows you to have that cash flow coming into your business whilst you do all the other things that you need to do in your business, like create your visibility, create an audience, improve and increase your reputation. And it doesn't take that much to actually call in one or two high end clients every single month. And once you've done that at the beginning of your business, you want to keep your high end ticket in your back pocket. You want it in your offer suite, because there will be those clients who are prepared to pay extra to come and work with you on a closer basis, whether that's one to one or however you decide your high ticket offer looks like. I started scaling my business with high ticket offers. When I first started running my business, I used to run VIP days at a local luxury hotel close by, and I had the best time. And I only needed to call on one or two of those clients every single month to actually sell those spots. So sold out really quickly, and you can do the same as well. So high end tickets are really appealing, as I said, to those clients who want to get results, and they want to get them quickly. They don't want to have to go through a group program that might take them 12 weeks or 6 months to actually consume the content. These are people who are looking for the results, and they're looking for the fastest path to those results. And this is where you get to be super creative when you're creating an offer, because you can think about what is that entire package that your ideal client would need to be able to move through from where they are to where they want to be. And you can create an offer that includes everything they need, and you can deliver it in the most creative ways as well. So when I get to create my high end offers, because my kind of key themes are mindset, strategy, and taking action, so a high level of accountability, my high end offers always include those three elements. I don't want my client to have to go anywhere else. So, because I can cover that and I can create offers, and it just means that they are investing once, they're working with one expert, and they know what they're getting, and they've got that trust that I'm the right person for them. And we get to work in the most brilliant ways. So let me give you some examples of how you can create high end offers if you have got a service based business. I've mentioned a few already. One to ones. This is like a one to one package that you can create for your business. You might already have those or have used them in the past, and this is maybe just going to be a reminder for you to dust them off and actually get them out there and tell your audience that you've got these as well. So, one to one offers is absolutely brilliant. So, you can just, it can be a one off, it could be a 90-day program, it could be a month program. You decide how you want to work and what are the best ways in which you can deliver those promised results to your clients. So one-to-one's really brilliant at helping and supporting your clients. Retreats is another really brilliant high-end ticket offer where you get to bring people together. Perhaps it's in a really luxurious location, and you just look after them for a period of time, and they have the best experience with you. Probably an experience that money couldn't buy. You're really looking at creating something very, very special. And this can be your signature retreat that you run once or twice a year. So that's a really brilliant offer that you can bring into your business. VIP days, one of my favorite high ticket offers that you can create, where you get to create a really special experience for your client. So for me, when I'm running this, I've done a number of things. So it's always in a beautiful setting. So in a really fabulous hotel where you've got some private space and that you can work in person together and really go deep into this. And you want to include all the refreshments, building lunch, maybe like have a lovely gift for them, like a goodie bag or something like that, that just really makes them feel super special. Now, if you want to take that all to the next level, one of the things that you can do with your VIP days is also include a spa. And now you might be thinking, oh, hang on, Rachel, people are not going to pay for high ticket offers. I already have some issues with that. And now you're talking about making people like pay for spending a day at the spa. I can tell you from running VIP days in spas, it's such a beautiful location. Your client will feel like a VIP. They will feel so open to thinking about up leveling their health, their business, whatever it is that you help them to achieve. They will become open to this because they're in this beautiful setting. It's taking them away from their normal busy days, and they have the space to really breathe into what they want, and they're open to achieving it as well. And you have created such a powerful space for that. And they get to experience some true relaxation, which again often allows for that openness to come through. So spa days can be amazing as well. You can also think about done for you services. So, depending again what type of business that you have, you may have those clients who are not interested in learning how to do something, but they will invest in you being that expert and doing it for them as well. For done for you services are brilliant. I have a client, she's a designer, she frequently does done for you services, designs, social media posts, whatever people want, that they're like, do you know what? Just take this off my plate. It's going to make life easier. I can be really consistent with my marketing because I'm not doing it. I'm handing it over to an expert. So, done for you services, consultancy. Again, that might be the type of business that you have. So, high level consultancy as well. You may also, if you haven't already got a mastermind, it may be a brilliant opportunity for you to create like a high-end mastermind as well. Perhaps you throw in some in-person, some retreat days, all sorts of different things where you can bring this like high energy, high frequency mastermind where you just pulling together a small group of clients, maybe that 5 or 10 clients come together, work with you for 6, 12 months, whatever that is, and they pay a high price for that because you are supporting them, you are holding their hand, you are getting them helping them to get amazing results in their business. Now, if you are a product-based business, and you might be thinking, well, I can't offer high end. Yes, you can. I have clients who do this all the time. So one of their high end offers is to actually go to wholesalers. Have wholesalers as your high end offer. So you're going out to wholesalers, you're promoting your amazing products to them, and they're putting orders in for 100, 200, maybe 1,000, 3,000 units. So you get to just make a huge amount of money from one relationship. So wholesalers can be your high end ticket. Other things that you can do is special offers. So people who are on your VIP list, they get some very exclusive offers, and perhaps you create really special bundles and they have an opportunity to buy them, but they have to be on the VIP list, and it's a high price point as well, higher than normal. There's probably lots of different things that you could do. If you currently use AI in your business, you could go and ask ChatGPT. You could put in some details about who you are, who your ideal client is, and ask them to create some high-end ideas for you in terms of offers. You can get AI to help you to really get really creative with that as well. And then the best thing you can do is actually use that as a framework and then really input into that what you want to do and make it amazing. Because again, as I said, you are only looking for a very small number of clients who are actually going to pay for your high ticket price, your high ticket offers. So I hope that's given you some insight into high ticket offers, what you can create, the different types you can do, and also to give you an idea of timings as well. So perhaps you're new to business and you think you've got to start low end. Actually, there's a bit of a challenge there, a bit of a reframe, saying that if you have a particular amount of money that you want to create and you want to create that really quickly in your business, actually having a high ticket offer as your first offer actually works really brilliantly. And then you can use those three offers to step people through your business in a completely different way. And then when you're more established in your business, you can actually use your Hell Yes offer into your group offer and into your high ticket offers in the way that I described it. So always when I'm working with clients, when I'm sharing content like this with people like yourself in my audience, I always say, like, take what I share and think about how you can make it relevant for your business. Um, there isn't ever a formula for like this is how you do it. It's always about making some tweaks so it sits with where you are and what you're looking to achieve. Now, coming up is something super special, which I'll touch on in a moment, but I wanted to also remind you that I have created an instant play masterclass where I show you exactly this entire strategy of how you can use these three offers to scale your business to consistent months of 5K. You can find all of the links for actually receiving this for free down in the show notes. So go down, request it because you will get the instant play replay plus some other resources that are going to really help you to get really, really clear about creating irresistible offers in your business to scale to consistent months of 5K and beyond. Now, the second thing that I've got to share with you is this isn't the end of the mini series. You've got your three offers, but there's a lot you can do about making your offers irresistible. And that's what we're going to touch on in the next kind of element of this mini series. Okay, I hope that you found this really useful and you're really inspired to either bring back a high ticket offer or get your existing high ticket offer out there and find some amazing clients who want to come and work with you in a really kind of brilliant, powerful way. Do not dismiss high ticket offers from your business, especially because you don't see a whole lot of them being promoted. I sell a lot of my high ticket offers through personal conversations, through just having conversations with people, and they're like, yeah, I want to come work with you privately. So don't be afraid, have them in your business. If you've got any questions, post them below or come and find me on social media and ask me there. Okay, until next time, bye for now.